Undoubtedly, Tesla remains poised to sustain its sales dominance throughout 2024, staying on track with its ambitious plans. Recent showcases of its exceptional production prowess underline this, with estimations revealing Tesla's capability to complete an entire car production cycle within a mere 30 seconds. The standout contributors to this achievement are the Model Y and 3, spearheading Tesla's success by collectively surpassing a production milestone of over 2 million units across all assembly lines in 2023. It seems they are gradually approaching the goal of producing 20 million units per year by 2030. But the advancements in speed have sparked debates within the Tesla enthusiast community. So what enables the electric car to undergo assembly in just 30 seconds? Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content. The year of 2023 is nearing its end with an explosion in Tesla's sales figures and production lines. We have witnessed the evolution and improvement of Tesla's manufacturing process, accelerating the assembly time to just 34 seconds in the first 3 quarters of 2023. As of now, it seems even more impressive than imagined, with a complete electric vehicle assembled every 30 seconds. According to the data we've gathered, Giga Shanghai in China stands out as the facility where the Model Y truly demonstrates its appeal to the market. The factory is estimated to have completed the production of up to 261,945 units in the last 3 months of 2023. Once again, applying the production time calculations, the factory is producing 87,315 units per month, equivalent to 2,910 units per day and 121 units per hour, working tirelessly. Therefore, every 30 seconds, a Model Y or 3 is rolled off the factory, ready for the delivery process. So how can Tesla produce new EVs so quickly? Tesla has produced several different car models such as the Model S, X, and Model 3, and all of them share a common thread. In this episode, we will focus on Tesla's most popular models, the Y and 3, which are the only 2 models produced at the Giga Shanghai factory. With an integrated vertical production model, Tesla seems to be self-reliant in manufacturing all components except for the battery, a factor that significantly impacts the entire EV industry today. The first stage of this process involves creating the skeleton framework for the vehicle. To achieve this, Tesla utilizes a stamping press to generate 2 halves of a mold that holds the shape of the part you want to create. Subsequently, a metal sheet is placed between these 2 halves, and the stamping process is then applied to shape the metal sheet into the desired form. The company has been at the forefront of using a massive press with the clamping forces ranging from 6,000 to 9,000 tons to mold the front and rear structure of the Model Y in the Gigacasting process. This innovation helps reduce production costs and puts competitors in a race to catch up. Dozens of machines at the factory are involved in crafting all the components that make up the vehicle's body structure. In an effort to extend its lead, Tesla is nearing an advancement that allows the manufacturing of almost the entire complex underbody of an electric vehicle as a single piece instead of around 400 parts in a traditional car. Tesla has deployed Gigapress all across its facilities to produce the Model Y in just 9 hours, which is about 3 times faster than EVs manufactured by competing rivals. The next step involves assembling these parts together, and this is where over 750 large robotic arms and conveyor belts come into play. They weld all the stamped pieces together to begin forming the skeleton of the Model Y or Model 3 body. The assembly then moves from one robot to another on the production line. In this way, the robotic arms, having completed their tasks, receive new components for assembly. Perhaps due to obsessions over quality, the smooth coordination between robotic arms and human workers is still evident at Tesla's factories. Right after completing the frame assembly stage, they move on to attaching all of the body panels, such as doors, hood, and trunk. These components, which cannot be handled by robotic arms, are manually secured by workers using screws. Subsequently, the assembled body is taken to the painting section, where the complete body undergoes primer painting, followed by a series of drying stages and multiple layers of paint. The doors are then removed to proceed to the next assembly stage. Furthermore, a separate process is underway to manufacture the underbody structure and the intelligent drivetrain system. This begins with a structural battery pack forming the central part of the vehicle and housing all the 4680 battery cells, along with integrated electrical and cooling architecture. Workers then, alongside machinery, directly screw the battery pack into the front and rear casting components, creating the entire underbody ready for operation in just a few steps. The electric motors are then integrated into the Gigacastings, one at the front and one at the rear, each motor connected through a gearbox to the drive shafts for all 4 wheels. The suspension system is fully attached to the castings along with brakes, and wheels are added to create a large rolling structure reminiscent of a skateboard design. Following the battery assembly, a carpeted floorboard with the central control panel and interior decorative details is placed above the battery pack. Then, all 4 seats are directly screwed onto the upper structure of the battery pack. The final crucial step involves connecting the completed body section directly onto the frame, secured together by a series of bolts around the castings. From there, the Model Y and 3 come to life and proceed to the final quality control stage. This is where any issues encountered on the production line are identified and addressed before the vehicle roll off for the delivery to the customers. Everything unfolds seamlessly, and in just a short span of 3 months, we can observe that Tesla has significantly improved their production speed, culminating in a completed vehicle every 30 seconds. Due to the immense size of Gigafactory Shanghai, it is divided into 4 massive adjacent workshops. The first workshop is dedicated to producing metal sheets, followed by a workshop manufacturing battery packs for the Model Y. These 2 workshops are responsible for supplying and transporting components to the Model Y production workshop. As a result, the Model 3 is produced separately in a nearby workshop. The process of connecting the battery pack to the vehicle frame is indeed impressive. We consider this the most crucial part. The battery connection process is likened to a marriage, where the harmonious union of the lower chassis and the upper frame creates a complete vehicle. The sliding equipment below is a separate conveyor belt, a tool used for self-assembling cars. Therefore, this equipment moves at a speed similar to a car passing through. It approaches the vehicle body and attaches the engine frame to the body. Many companies are turning it into a platform like eGMP and similar ones. After several successful electric car projects such as Kona EV, Niro EV, Hyundai has committed to developing an entirely new platform for EVs called eGMP instead of modifying traditional car platforms. The notable strength of eGMP lies in its significantly compact size and lighter weight compared to current EV system designs, resulting in much more efficient operation. This characteristic allows Hyundai to invest less in aerodynamic design compared to current electric car manufacturers pursuing the best range after each charge. Instead, the company can comfortably design visually appealing new electric models. But what keeps quality from decreasing as production speeds up? If you look at the fully painted frame, you won't see the doors on it because they are removed after the painting and drying process is completed. This seems to be how Tesla achieves color consistency. The manual sealing by hand of the workers, as well as the robotic arms' precise assembly and disassembly of the doors, contribute to giving Tesla products a perfect finish. It is indeed a complex process dedicated to the quality of Tesla's products. Alongside this process is the loyalty and enthusiasm of the workers at the factory, akin to a company where Tesla enthusiasts work because they are determined to be part of Tesla and shape the future. It's truly remarkable loyalty. You won't catch anyone looking at their mobile phones, or anyone sitting idly. No one. It's rather creepy. In any case, everyone works diligently, and it's genuinely surprising. They're also quite young, and the atmosphere is notably different from other car manufacturing plants. It seems that they don't feel the work pressure because most stages are assisted by technological arms. Thus, as you know, a comfortable working environment produces the best quality products. This not only helps Tesla establish its position with the Model Y in China, but also has a global impact, making this vehicle a world-class leader in sales. In 2023, Tesla is producing a significantly higher number of Model Y units compared to the Model 3, reflecting the demonstrated popularity of the Model Y, especially in China. Furthermore, this crossover SUV aligns with Tesla's financial goals, as it provides a better profit margin than the 3. Tesla boasts some of the best gross profit margins in the automotive industry, and improving these margins will completely enhance the company's financial position and profitability. As Tesla aims to achieve a sales volume of 1.8 million units this year and fulfill even larger targets in the coming years, improving production speed will be immensely beneficial. Now, what are the breakthroughs that Giga Shanghai has brought on Tesla products? In previous quarters, Tesla listed the annual capacity of Gigafactory Shanghai as exceeding 750,000 vehicles, despite local reports indicating that the electric car factory could produce around 1.1 million vehicles per year. As evident in Tesla's third quarter of 2023 update letter, this is no longer the case, as the electric car manufacturer officially listed the current annual installation capacity of the facility at over 950,000. While this is still lower than the number in local reports, it represents a notable improvement compared to the numbers from the first 3 quarters of 2023. Interestingly, Tesla China officially announced an increase in the annual vehicle capacity of Giga Shanghai after the release of the upgraded Model 3, known more widely in the electric vehicle community as the Model 3 Highland. Tesla emphasized the production output of Giga Shanghai in the third quarter of 2023 update letter, noting that the facility has been operating at full capacity for several quarters. The role of Gigafactory Shanghai in Tesla's global operations is steadily increasing. Giga Shanghai is currently the sole facility producing the upgraded Tesla Model 3, and this all-electric vehicle has received excellent reviews from both enthusiasts and industry experts. It also recently released a small update for the Model Y. While there may not be information about the Model Y Juniper, this could make it more appealing to consumers. The vehicle has undergone some minor but notable changes in both the exterior and interior. Looking at the interior, the updated Model Y from Giga Shanghai now features ambient lighting in the form of an LED strip running across the dashboard. The iconic wood trim on the black interior Model Y dashboard has also been replaced. Most importantly, the price of the base Model Y in China remains unchanged at $36,100. According to the initially outlined plans, the Model Y is set to undergo changes in both exterior and interior, with the modifications taking effect in 2024 when the altered Project Juniper vehicles are getting ready to enter the production line. Tesla has already initiated the process of requesting quotes from suppliers regarding the costs of refurbished interior and exterior components from the new Model Y, gearing up to commence the manufacturing of this vehicle within the coming years. Tesla plans to begin production of this vehicle in October of 2024. In the past, we have witnessed Tesla facing challenges in the early stages of manufacturing some of its vehicle models. Employees needed time to familiarize themselves with everything, and the automaker needed time to address any issues on the production line. However, this seems to be a thing of the past when it comes to the factory in Shanghai, where they have continued to streamline the production of the Model 3's new design effortlessly. What seems to be a seamless production journey is not always easy for Tesla. Despite the company's ongoing innovation over the years, the initial production process of the Model 3 was anything but simple for Tesla and Musk. It's often referred to as the production hell, with the production period of the Model 3 back in 2017 and 18 being one of the most challenging times in Tesla's history. However, it appears that they have overcome many major stops and bottlenecks in the initial production process. Tesla China appears to be focusing resources on the domestic Chinese market. This has been suggested in a recent update to Tesla China's online configuration tool, indicating that the waiting times for both the Model 3 and Y have been adjusted. According to the official Tesla website, the estimated wait time for Model 3 and Y produced by Giga Shanghai is now listed as 2 to 6 weeks. Previously, the estimated wait time for the Model 3 was listed at 6 to 9 weeks, while Model Y was listed as 6 to 8 weeks. Other versions of 3 and Y currently available in China are also listed with an estimated delivery time of 2 to 6 weeks. With the updated delivery timeframe for vehicle orders, customers ordering the Model 3 Highland or the upgraded Model Y in China today can still receive their new vehicles by the end of the month. This will help Tesla strengthen domestic deliveries in the fourth quarter of 2023 to accelerate the progress toward the year-end goal without extending it into 2024. Although there is no clear explanation for this plan, it demonstrates that Tesla's production line here has indeed shown significant improvements in both speed and quality to meet the urgent demands of the Chinese market and for export to foreign markets. What do you think about this rapid progress, and how will Tesla's products become better in the future? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video rocked your world, show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more thrilling content, spreading the word, and ringing that bell icon to stay updated on our latest episodes. Thank you immensely. Until we meet again, stay safe, take care, and happy holidays.